Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy on Vinted step by step. First, browse for the item you want. You can scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top of the screen to find specific items or brands. If you want to narrow things down, use the filter options to sort by category, size, color, and price. You'll see item listings appear with product photos, prices, and seller information. Once you spot something you like, tap on the listing to open the full details. Read through the description carefully and check all the photos to verify the condition. The item page will show you the full photos, description, price, and the seller's ratings and reviews. If you need more info about sizing or condition, you can message the seller directly through Vinted's messaging system before you buy. When you're ready to purchase, tap the Buy Now button on the item detail page. This takes you straight to checkout at the listed price. Next, choose your shipping method from the options listed. You'll see a few different postage options based on the item's weight. Once you select one, proceed to the checkout screen. Here you'll see the item price, shipping cost, and buyer protection fee all laid out. The buyer protection fee is mandatory and gets automatically added to every purchase. You'll also see an estimated delivery date at this stage. Now it's time to complete payment. Select your payment method. You can use a bank card, Apple Pay, or your Vinted balance if you have one. Enter your payment details and tap the payment confirmation button. Your payment gets processed securely through Vinted. Once it goes through, you'll see an order confirmation. The payment goes to Vinted and they hold it in escrow until you confirm you've received the item. After you've paid, you can track your order right in the app. Open the conversation screen with the seller and you'll see tracking updates there. Vinted will notify you when the item is in the post. If you want faster updates, copy the tracking number and check it directly on the carrier's website. When your package arrives, inspect it carefully within 2 days. You've got a strict 2-day window from when the carrier scans it as delivered. If everything looks good and matches the description, open the app and tap the Everything is OK button in the conversation screen. This releases the payment to the seller. If there's a problem with the item, tap I have an issue within those 2 days to file a dispute. This pauses the transaction and Vinted support will step in to help. If you do nothing, the payment automatically releases to the seller after 2 days. One more thing to remember, your order is protected when you pay through Vinted. If the item doesn't arrive, was damaged in transit, or isn't as described, you'll get a refund. Just make sure you report any issues within that 2-day window after delivery. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.